This is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We're working on a new song that's just written this year by Kathy Fink. It's called Hold Each Other Up. It is a song for the times we are going through right now. We're doing it in two keys, in the key of C, and then towards the end of the song, we modulate to the key of D. It's a shuffle groove. We're doing it 140 beats a minute. And I'm going to, this is a track where you guys can play along, and we're going to be working on a solo. So what I'm going to do is put a comp track in between chorus 2 and verse 2 so we can begin to build a solo. And I'm just going to comp for you guys and play over the chord configuration that we see in the choruses. So that's what's happening. Our starting note is an E. A 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna hold each other up. We're gonna lift each other high. We're gonna love each other better than before. This whole world will keep on turning, and our hearts will keep on yearning for each other when the world is so unsure. We've seen troubles in the past, some gone by and some that last. And there's one thing that can help us all get by. If we listen with our hearts, each new day is a brand new start. We can love each other better if we try. We're gonna hold each other up. We're gonna lift each other high. We're gonna love each other better than before. This whole world will keep on turning, and our hearts will keep on yearning for each other when the world is so unsure. We have time to be kind. It's a time to remind that deep down our differences are few. And as every minute waits, turning worries into days, we believe that our love will bring us through. We're gonna hold each other up. We're gonna lift each other high. We're gonna love each other better than before. This whole world will keep on turning, and our hearts will keep on yearning for each other when the world is so unsure. We're gonna hold each other up. We're gonna lift each other high. We're gonna love each other better than before. This whole world will keep on turning, and our hearts will keep on yearning for each other